Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today we would like to share how to check cells not empty before printing. Let's proceed to Developer tab and Visual Basic. Double-click on this workbook. From the list of objects, select Workbook. From the list of procedures, scroll and look for Before Print. Delete the unwanted procedure. In the Before Print procedure, we can make use of for loop to run through the cells in the selected range. It is strongly recommended not to use the numbering method. For example, for I is equal to 1 up to the number that we want. This is because this method is useful if and only if those cells are connected. How if, let's say, we have multiple ranges, that is, cells that are not connected or detached. A better way is to create a dummy and use the dummy to run to all the cells in the selected range. In other words, we should run through every single cell, that is, each cell in the selected range. The cell here can be any word or any letter, since this is just a dummy. And what we have to do here is just to run through the cell in the selected range. Where is those cells located in this sheet, which is sheet 2? So we should type sheet 2 dot cells dot use the range property bracket. There are a few methods to define the range. To make this procedure user-friendly and can be easily edited, use the string method. So we have quotation mark. Give the name of first cell, which is B1. So we have B1 here. Use colon to indicate range, followed by the last cells in the selected range. For example, B2. So we have B2 here, quotation mark and close bracket, and the required range is now defined. Press enter and we can now check all those cells in this range by using a condition. So we have if cell is equal to empty, then of course we need to cancel print. So we have cancel is equal to true since we want to cancel. Press enter, start with if, of course we need to end with if. Finished checking the first cell, proceed to the next, and the coding part is now done. If you want to provide any message in order to let the user know the document is not printed, instead of writing the message within this condition, we can use any dummy as the indicator so that the user will not see the message for more than one time when more than one cell is empty. With this indicator, we can easily write another condition, that is, if A is equal to 1, which means that as long as that is an empty cell, the value A will tend to be 1. Then we can show the message by using the message box. For example, not printed due to information not complete. Start with if again and with if. Let's run and check the result. Click on print and we should receive the message only one time, although all cells are empty. The advantage of using this method is each range can be easily edited or modified. For example, if another information is required, which is right after the existing cell, instead of writing another for loop, we can simply change the range. This time the last cell is B3, so we should change 2 to 3. On the other hand, if you are asked to check for cells that are not connected, don't worry. Back to Visual Basic. Within the range, simply add those ranges or even a single cell. And what we have to do here is just to split them by using comma. Firstly, consider D1. Simply add in D1. And we have B5 as well. So comma again and type B5. Let's print and check the result. Click on File, Print, and let's print the document. As we can see, we will still receive the message as those cells are empty. However, let's say we fill up some of them and leaving one of them empty. Let's go to File and Print again. We will still receive the message. Then this cell is empty. How if let's say all required cells are completely filled. Let's go to File again, click on Print, and print again the document. And this time, as we can see, the document is now printing. Therefore, with this method, a new cell or range can be added easily without adding any new condition. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.